It's my great pleasure to welcome you to another quick guide about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in today's tutorial, you are going to learn on how to cancel order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to import from China with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in today's tutorial, I will show you on how to simply cancel order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon right here to proceed to your profile. For every order on pending, it's going to be found right there. And from here, we can simply cancel the order right here. And for us to do that, we can simply make sure we click on here to open up this box. Having opened up this box, it takes us to this particular page. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on here, proceed to cancel the order. Let's go to take us right here. Right here, we can state the reason why we want to cancel the order. So in this category, you need to make sure you translate it. So if you don't know how to translate on Pinduoduo, you can simply follow the simple step I'm going to show you right now. First thing for, make sure you make a screenshot of the page that you want to translate. Having made a screenshot, exit from your Pinduoduo shopping app, then you have to head over to your Chrome browser. So click on your Chrome browser right here. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, click on this camera icon. Then make sure you choose translate. Then select the screenshots from your phone album. Boom, it's going to automatically translate it. And also, you can also change language right here. So if you want to change from English to another language, click on here, and then there are more languages right here you can translate into, just like so. Now, you have the reason for the cancel. Delivery address or mobile phone number is incorrect, forgot payment password or insufficient balance, unable to pay normally. Then the next one here is I don't want to fight for the order anymore. Then the last one here is other reasons. So I'm going to go back to my Pinduoduo now. Then I'll make sure I choose other reason right here. Once you choose your reason, then click on here to submit. And the order has been successfully cancelled. By the time you go back to your Pinduoduo shopping profile, you see it is no longer here. It's that simple. Ordinarily, if you did not cancel the order within 24 hours, if you do not make payment to the order will be cancelled by system on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to import from China with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.